Hey guys, do you know that you can free up 10 gigabytes of storage space from your C drive on Windows? So you might know that Windows have this feature called Hibernate, but I don't think people use Hibernate that much anymore compared to the previous versions of Windows. So the idea of Hibernate is actually to keep all your open sessions in the hard drive instead of the memory when you are doing sleep. So we can turn off this feature on Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, let's check if you have this feature on. It should be on by default. So you can go to the folder options and then check show hidden files and then untick the hide protected operating system files. When you go to your C drive, you can actually see there's hiberfil.sys. If this happens to you, then you can actually delete this file safely by going to the command prompt. So in the command prompt, you right click, run as administrator. So the command is actually very simple. Either you have powercfg hibernate off or hibernate on. If we type hibernate off, then actually that file will be deleted, so we don't have that anymore, and therefore you have reclaimed back your 10 gigabytes. If you find this useful, please subscribe.